morning, everyone. Hope you all safe with a good health. With you, Ms. Dina Al-Badri, science teacher for grade 6. Today we will start new lesson 3 in Unit 2, Energy and Matter in Ecosystems. Um, we know from grade 5 and 4 the meaning of the matter. Matter is anything that has mass and take up space. What the meaning of take up space? It means has volume. So matter is anything that has mass and volume, or has a mass and take up space. What is the meaning of energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Okay, when I start to move something from one place to another place, carry bag, carry bottle. So to do all this work I need energy. So the energy is the ability to do work. So what is the difference between energy and matter? Energy is the ability to do. Meaning of energy, or what is the difference between energy and matter? Energy is the ability to do work. Matter is anything that has mass and take up space. All organisms need energy and matter to live or grow and reproduce. So the energy, it is a very necessary something to make all organisms live, reproduce, and respiration also. Source, the main source of energy. So when I ask you what is the main source of energy on earth, you will say the sun. Or when I ask you what is the original source of energy, you will say the sun. So the sun is the original source of energy in most ecosystems. Organisms called producers make their own food. So we call the producer autotrophic. Why we call producer autotrophic? Because they can make their own food by themselves. Consumers are organisms that can't make their own food and eat producer or other consumer to get energy. So the consumer can't make its own food. It needs another organism to eat it, or another producer. Most producers get energy from the sun, but some use chemical energy instead of light energy to make their own food. So a producer make their own food by getting the energy from the sun. Producer get matter from the soil and air. So how can the producer make their own food? By taking energy from the sun and getting the matter from the soil and the air. Consumers get both energy and matter from the food they eat. So the consumer get both energy and matter from the food they eat. We know from the previous year that law of conservation of energy, we have something called law of conservation of energy. This means that all the time we have energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. I can't say so I will destroy all the energy in the world. No, it's wrong. Every time, all time we have energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. When you stay in your place, you have energy. Yes, you have energy. We call this type of energy potential energy. When you start to move, you have energy. Yes, but you convert your potential energy to kinetic energy. So the law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can change from one form to another form. At the same, the law of conservation of mass states that mass cannot be created or destroyed. All the time we have matter, we have mass. Matter moves through the environment in different forms. So when I take producer like plant, like carrot, okay, for example carrot, this carrot contain matter? Yeah. Contain energy? Yeah. When I start to eat it, so the matter from the plant, from the producer, will transfer to the consumer, to the main, when he start to eat the plant. So the matter move through the environment in different form. Matter and energy can leave an ecosystem when organisms move. So the matter and energy can leave an ecosystem when organisms move. Also, matter and energy can leave an ecosystem in moving water and air. Also, matter and energy enter and leave an ecosystem, so they are never destroyed. So the matter, like the energy, cannot be destroyed or created. When I can't say today I will make some matter, some energy. No, it's wrong. Matter, all the time there is matter, all the time there is energy. Okay, we know from the previous lesson that we have something called food chain and food web. Every food chain or food web should be stored with producer. So the energy enter most ecosystem and the sunlight which producer used to make the food. A primary consumer get energy by eating producers. Secondary consumer get energy by eating primary consumers, and so on. Okay, this is called food chain. An organism use most of the energy it takes. So what is the meaning of energy pyramid? Is a tool that can be used to trace the flow of energy through an ecosystem. The bottom level consists of producer, have the largest population and the most energy. The other levels are consumers. Going up the pyramid, there is a less energy and fewer organisms at each level. Consumer at the highest level have the smallest population. Did you see here? The bottom of the pyramids contain producer, the most energy. And after that, primary consumer. What the meaning of the primary consumer? The animal or birds or consumer which eats directly producer. Secondary consumer, they are consumer which eat primary consumer and producer. Okay, at the top of the pyramid, did you see? We have a consumer but has a less population, not found with a large number. Okay, that's all today. Hope you all understand. Next time, inshallah, we will complete our lesson. Please check your LMS and print the sheet. Thank you.